So I've got my pool cleaner here. Now this was gifted to me so I could go ahead and show you everything it comes with. Then we're gonna go over the details of this. I'm gonna put it into action in my pool. We just had a storm here the other day and my pool got a little bit dirty. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and put it to the test. So it does come with two different handles. We've got a telescopic handle and then the smaller handle. The telescopic handle does reach out to about 4.5 feet. Also does come with a net. We've got a large head to go ahead and suck up a lot of that debris. Got 3 rollers right through here and some bristles. Also, this is our charger here. Now it is held magnetically right here to the bottom. Just snaps in place. It does take about an hour and a half to charge. It has a 80-minute runtime. It does come with a little emery board and a cleaning cloth to go ahead and keep your contacts nice and clean. It does have a large button to turn it on or off. Blue light means it's all charged up and ready to go. And then on the front, it's real easy to go ahead and just remove that off and dump all your debris. Now it does come with total of 3 socks. You can use it with or without it. And it really just depends on the type of material that you're trying to vacuum up out of your pool. If it's just really fine silt, you can go ahead and use these. If not, you could just use the filter all by itself. So the cleaning head just snaps in place. Of course, I've got my in-ground pool here, but these cleaners are good if you have a hot tub or a spa or even an above ground pool. These just make it so much easier. I've got a lot of debris here from the night before from a storm. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try this out. First thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and, of course, I'm just gonna turn this on. As soon as I get it turned on, we wanna go ahead and put this into the water. Now I'm going to go ahead and just get it over all that debris. You can see there's a path that I'm making that's clean. It's sucking up all that debris. This is definitely more thorough than me taking my brush and trying to sweep my pool. Oh, look at that. It's getting it all up really good. Stairs are definitely a place that gets a lot of debris on it and silt. And this is pulling up all of that. Look how easy it is to go ahead and just clean my steps. I just follow along the edges and it is actually pulling it all up. Super easy. Now let's check it out and see how much debris it actually collected. Right away, you can see all this debris, silt, some leaves in here that it's already collected all through here. There is quite a bit down there. I even see several bugs too. And then this mesh filter, it caught all this debris too. So this is excellent. This works very well, super easy to clean. Now all I have to do is just rinse that out, charge it up, and I'm ready to go. Hope you found this review helpful.